In this video, I'm going to show you how to style the chapter number, title, and any headings within your chapter. So you can see here straight away we have a chapter number at the beginning of the chapter, and underneath we have the chapter title. Now we know from the Excel document that the chapter number should be styled in the Sage number style. So to do this, we're going to highlight the piece of content that we want, the number in this case. We're going to pop open the Styles pane and select the Sage number style. Similarly, we know that the chapter title should be styled in the Sage title style. So we're going to highlight this, pop open the Styles pane and find the Sage title style. You can see already that the content types have changed visually, so we know that we've successfully styled them. However, if we did want to check, all we would need to do is highlight the desired bit of content, open the Styles pane, and you can see here that the Sage number style has kind of been boxed off, so we know that this is now in the Sage number style. Alternatively, you could highlight the piece of content, click the expander arrow at the bottom right of the Styles pane, and again you can see here that the Sage title style has been boxed off, so we know that we're working within that. The first title in a chapter should be styled in the Sage title style, and we allow 4 levels of headings underneath, and these should be styled in the Sage H1, H2, H3, and H4 style. So I'm just going to scroll down to a bit of the chapter with a few titles. So you can see here we have a heading 1, the first level of heading. We have put H1 here just to indicate that it's the first level of heading. You don't need to do this as you're going to show the first level of heading using the styles. So this is a heading level 1, so we're going to highlight it, pop open the styles pane and select Sage H1. Underneath we have a heading level 2, so we're going to highlight this and pop it into the Sage H2 style. You can see already that visually these two titles differ in the capitalization and the colour. I find this really useful in differentiating the different heading levels at a glance. There isn't an H3 or an H4 in this chapter. However, if there was, we would use the Sage H3 and Sage H4 styles.